Hey, what's up everybody? In this video I want to show you how this weird nursery rhyme video made over $117,000 profit, and the most important part is anyone, anywhere, even if you have zero experience, zero subscribers, could start making money today on YouTube without making any videos yourself. I promise you this is going to be a good one. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $100 or more. And this example in this video is going to, people are making way more, literally making videos on YouTube without having to do any recording themselves. You don't have to be on camera, you literally don't have to do anything. All you have to do is remake videos what you're allowed to use, and this is 100% legit. I've made a research on something that's called Creative Commons, and I'm going to show you a little bit later on this video. I'm going to show you how to make a ton of money from YouTube just by re-uploading videos that are already on YouTube. I know a lot of people don't have cameras. I know a lot of people don't like to get in front of cameras. Anybody with zero subscribers can start doing this and making a ton of money on YouTube. So a lot of people think you're not allowed to reuse YouTube content. People think it's copyrights and they're not allowed to actually reuse that. And a lot of time that is actually true, but not always. There's something called Creative Commons, is allows anyone and anywhere to reuse video content what people reuse, as long as it's uploaded creative content. And the cool thing is it's actually easy to find out what is on the creative content and what is not. But do not skip in this video, because there's one critical thing where you have to know before to have to make this work. And I know some people are going to skip this video, skip to the part, and you're not going to make this work unless you know every single step. There's one critical mistake that beginners make. So if you don't make these mistakes, you could actually go on and make a ton of money. And this video right here made over 117,000 profit, and I'll prove it to you in just a few minutes. All right, I'm just going to show you a few examples of people which are doing this. All right, so I'm going to show my video real quick. Okay, so I typed up kids songs. If you could see there, it's got 3.7 million views, 2.8 million views. This one 5 months ago, 39 million. You could do this for everything. You could search top 10. You could search weather. You could search anything you want. You could search trains, for example. Trains, all right, all type of things. All right, look, you could 29 million views. Everything I like to type in is fitness, conspiracy, gaming, stuff what people are searching all the time. So you're probably thinking, yeah, David, yeah, but all these people have got all these views, but how are they making money? So I'm going to show you exactly what 1 million views generally makes, and how much that usually brings from a profit perspective view. Because according to Business Insiders, most YouTubers average about $3 CPM, so which is how much you get paid by 1,000 views. So if a video has 1 million views, all right, you get $3 per thousand. You're getting paid 3,000 US dollars for every 1 million views that you actually have. So here's another example. Kids songs. All right, kids songs. Okay, and this one here. All right, it's play safe songs of nursery rhymes and kids, which was like 5 months ago, and it's got 39 million views. So if we pop up the calculator here, all right. here, right? So it's got 39. So if you've got 39, so 39 million views times $3,000, okay, equals 117,000 this video is made, and that's minimum. So 39 million times, that's $117,000 profit for literally uploading a kid's video, all right, and that's it. So you're probably thinking, so David, how do I get these videos, and how can I use these videos, all right, and how can I make money in video? So that's a good question. So the way to do it is by actually using Creative Commons. So anytime I type something on YouTube, what you could do is you could come onto filter, and you filter by Creative Commons, all right. So what Creative Commons means, so any video what's left here after you've put the filter Creative Commons, right, make sure that every time you do a new search that you re-click that, because if you do a new search, these settings reset itself at 0. But that means Creative Commons, that any video remains there, that they can be reused. So you can reuse them and put them on your channel. Alright, so if you don't know how to download a video, all you could do is go and Google search and find out how to download a YouTube video. There's MP4 downloaders, it's very easier to do. Or what you can do, what I do, is you put SS before the Y of YouTube, and it'll come up with a page where you could just download videos on YouTube for free. Okay, so now that's out of the way. So this is going to show you any videos, and any videos that pops up, as I say, is with Creative Commons filter on, has a little note. Again, anytime you do a search, you want to make sure that it's on. All right, every single one of these videos is free to use. So you can literally download these exact videos. You could download that exact video. It's got 39,000 million views. And what you could do, you could reorganize it, or you could use a few of them. You could use a free software like iMovie. There's tons of free softwares out there that you could go and have a look at. All right, and you could compile the best free kid movies if you want, or make a kids channel on YouTube, because I mean everybody's got kids, and kids nursery songs and kids cartoons is always a good market to go into, and you can compile all the best cartoons, create a good thumbnail, and just maybe use better keywords than what they're already using on their video, and re-upload that video. All right, it's 100% legal as long as you've got the Creative Commons switched on. Any of these videos, again, I'm going to reiterate, you could use them for your own content. All right, I wouldn't just grab it and post it as it is, or maybe put a compilation of a few of them, or keep that one and change the thumbnails, change the keywords, and upload them to the channel. All right, so I mean, this video here, like I showed you here, made 39 million views in 5 months. That's $117,000 that this person has made on YouTube just by uploading this video within 5 months, which is crazy. It's insane. All right, so just put an eye-catching thumbnail and a well-organized title, and you could put maybe the best nursery rhymes kids songs in 2019, because people always want to see the most recent actual thing on YouTube. So what are actually most profitable niches or topics, right? One I'd say like is the kids niche, but there's a few actually categories which you'll make the most money. If you say, hey David, I've got 0 subscribers, 0 money, how do I make this work? All right, all these people up there are uploading these videos. They're not doing it because they love doing it. They're doing it because YouTube are paying them thousands, or if not $100,000. All you need to do is get one video that's going to go viral with algorithm, and it's free. It's been free for this person to make this video and upload this video and just create a compilation or whatever, they upload it, add a cool thumbnail and a cool title, and then they're on their way. So what would be the best niches, topics to do this for? If you use the wrong topics, nobody's going to watch it, and if nobody's watching it, you're not going to make any money, all right? So the actual best topics to do these compilations are, let me have a look, the fitness niche, all right? Fitness niche is a big one. There's got a lot of people searching the fitness niche. Conspiracy, all that conspiracy theory. Sports is another good one. Recent news, if there's anything on the news which you know is big, you could just create a channel news and all these big titles, just put them on YouTube. Gaming is a massive thing, and motivation. People love conspiracy theories, people love news and stuff, and so in fact, let's just type one of them. All right, so if you type in fitness, for example, fitness. All right, so fitness, you've got over 1 million people searching fitness. You've got to let's put recent news. Look at this, 6,000. I mean, there's lots and lots of things you could look at. Like I say earlier on, trains, one really random one. All right, trains. Click on trains. Look at that, 3 million, 29 million. I mean, it's absolutely crazy. Again, popular games like Fortnite, for example. I mean, anything what Google tell you is popular. All right. So yeah, you could put YouTube trending, and you can see for gaming, and you can see how many views and everything are going on. All right. Literally, you can see these things that people are watching, and you could literally remake them without making any video yourself, just by doing compilations, reposting videos that was created, massive views. It's not shady at all. You won't get shut down. YouTube is 100% okay with this. But all you have to make sure is a Creative Commons, so you could reuse the footage. Other tools you could use to see how much money these people are making. All right, you could take his YouTube username, and you could go to a site called social. So you could go to Social Blade, all right, and you could just put this person on YouTube. All right, so you could go on YouTube and you could click their username. So let's go on so you can go on this kids channel, all right, and you could copy that and just click on the Social Blade, do that, and see. Okay, so you could come up here and select the channel, Anna Kids. So you could select this channel, alright, and you could see USA channel, 10th of February 2017, social media, and you could see how much this person is making yearly. They're averaging on 754Ks a year, which is absolutely ridiculous. So yeah, you could go on Social Blade, you could have a look, and it's a very good tool to see how much people are making and how you could mirror image these things. All right, and I mean, I don't know the monthly earnings and everything, but when you go there, you could see the yearly and what the estimates are. I mean, it's monthly earnings. So they're making in between 3.9k to 62.9ks. All right. So just a bit of social proof that you can make serious money on YouTube, and it shows you here how much money they make on YouTube based on their channel. So let's summarize. How do you actually do this? So the best way to do this is go on YouTube, search for popular videos, check they've got the common license, all right? And then you make better versions of these videos, make a better thumbnail, a better keyword rich title, and then you re-upload that video. Maybe you see 10 different compilations of fastest trains of the world, or the best kids songs in the world. You make a better massive version of all these already popular videos, then you re-upload them. Your first video might not be perfect, your first video might not be viral, but I've got friends that are literally making hundreds and thousands of dollars using that exact same strategy, and they had zero experience and zero subscriber. The only thing you need to do is to get started. Provide 1 to 2 videos a day, download them, make them better, make thumbnails on Fiverr.com, or you can go to Canva.com, make your own thumbnails. People are doing it every single day. Don't do like the 99% of people. Be the 1% and get a start on it and actually make this work. All you have to do is remake better videos who've got the common license, and watch the viewers start coming in, because there's millions and millions of people on YouTube every single day, and this is an amazing way to start making money online. You could be making a lot of money with zero money to start with, all right? So please, if you like this video, make sure to tap the like button, all right? And if you didn't like the video as well, please subscribe and smash that bell, all right, so you can know when I release a brand new video on how to make money online and how to be financially free this year. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you're struggling with. Let me know if you've even made a single dollar online, or if you need help, and I'll try and personally read every single comment and personally help you on your path to freedom. Till next time, see you later. Thank you very much for watching.